The telemetry system is the center of our boat. We focused much of our efforts this year on the creation of a system which can collect as much data as possible, allowing our team to make informed decisions about where to improve. The system starts with sensors throughout the boat, reading RPM, temperature, voltage, and other data points. These are streamed to a central server which collects the data and sends it to shore over radio. The entire system communicates over USB, which we chose because of the wide availability of consumer off-the-shelf USB devices and cables. We can view the data on the boat and on shore and later play it back. The system is very modular, meaning future teams can expand easily.